My wife and I almost didn't make it to a second date because I didn't open the car door for her. I just swam to the surface. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and if you're wondering why I look like a slapped arse, it's because being isolated in my house, I've not been shaving. And I thought, if I'm going to make a video, I better go and have a shave. And I hadn't had a shave for a while, and this is the result. It's not happy. Because it's my delicate baby soft skin, you know. Anyway, this is, just ignore that bit. I just saw myself on the camera and thought, that's not good, is it? This is, we'll get there. No, right, this is GRAUSIG. It probably isn't, but they're Indonesian. And if there's one thing that Google Translate, and certainly myself, struggles with, it's Indonesian. So I don't know how to pronounce this, even if I get Google Translate to kind of read it out for me, which I didn't. It's going to be wrong. So this is the English pronunciation of that. So yeah, this is GRAUSIG. Like I say, it almost certainly is not. I'm sure somebody will pop up in the comments and tell me how to pronounce it. They sent me an email, basically, saying, hello, we are GRAUSIG, a death metal band from Indonesia. Please react to our video. Here's a link. Straight to the point. Can't go wrong, really. So, here we are. And basically, that's it. I haven't looked into them. I haven't got the album cover because I completely forgot. Hang on a second, I'll be back in a second. And it's well worth looking up the album cover because it's an awesome album cover. It looks really cool. So yeah, this song, again, I'm not going to pronounce this right. Propaganda, Konsep Ketuhanan. There are people in Indonesia literally laughing their heads off right now. But Google Translate, and again, I don't think this is right, but this is as close as I'm going to get, let's face it. Translates the song title as God Propaganda Concept. So make of that what you will, because Indonesian does not translate into English very well. So God Propaganda Concept. There you go. And it's from this album. Oh God, this is not going well, is it? Which is called Are you enjoying this? Are you just enjoying my pronunciations? Dogma Dunia Baru, which, as we all know, he says, cutting and pasting, means New World Dogma. There you go, New World Dogma. So there's the album, New World Dogma by GRAUSIG. Does that translate? How does that translate? Are you enjoying this? No. Well, the good news is you can just skip through all this crap to the actual song. But if you want to stay with me, GRAUSIG translates as horrible. There you go. The band is literally called Horrible, and I'm really glad I translated that. So we've got a band called Horrible, and I forgot what all the other stuff was. New World Dogma is the album. The song was something propaganda God concept, was it? Should we just listen to it? I think that might be a good idea. I suspect with all of that we've just said, this is not going to be a party kind of song. We're not in Aylestorm camp here. Oh, explicit content. Anyone under 25, go away. Oh, whoa. Okay. Blimey. Well, that was short on melody, but big on making you feel like you've been run over by a coal train for about 4 minutes. Production was brutal, wasn't it? And the whole thing really kind of it was like being beaten with a stick. So, and I'm probably going to use lots of analogies because obviously lyrically I have no idea what he's saying, but this is a perfect example of what does it matter? You know, death metal, you rarely actually know what people are saying anyway. So it's more about, of course, the feeling and the intent, isn't it? And there may be a message there, but I'm sorry. But the feeling generated, I suspect, is exactly what they were going for, which is brutal and uncompromising. And it's kind of sort of credit to them that you can get that across in a recording. Recording technology is fantastic these days, but you still need to twiddle the right knobs at the end of the day. I don't know where to go with it, because it was literally like being bludgeoned for 4 minutes, wasn't it? There wasn't the solo. If you took away kind of if you took that solo and put it into something else, it would fit straight into a thrash metal song, I suspect. It was so like quick and widdly and sort of almost kind of out of the genre of the song. Maybe that's just me, it's only one listen, but as I was listening to it I was thinking, wow, this is kind of a busy guitar solo for the kind of song it is. But maybe that's just me, and maybe that's just me in this moment, but it kind of sounded more like a thrash metal sort of solo for me. But you know, they clearly know what they're about, they know what they were playing, they know what they wanted to create. I think they created it. I'm sorry for my terrible translations, but Indonesian just does not translate. I've said it several times, Google just really struggles. It can give you the words, like but not the meaning, you know. So yeah, there's not a fat lot I can say other than what I've just said, and I'll just be going around in circles. It is what it is. If you like that sort of thing, go for it. I don't mind that sort of thing in short doses. I couldn't listen to an album like that. That's just me. But blimey, another one from Indonesia. Indonesia's got quite a metal scene, I suspect. Well, I don't even have to suspect it. It has, hasn't it? I mean, I keep hearing things from Indonesia, and quite a lot of it's brutal death metal, to be honest, that I'm hearing. I don't know whether they just do rock or prog, or, you know, is there just a big death metal scene in Indonesia? I don't know. But yeah, well, thanks guys for sending me your video. There you go. I liked it. It's not quite my thing, but as a reviewer, I can see the quality. I can see what you were going for, and I think you nailed it. So, well done. Let me know what you think, everyone. Pretty short one today, apart from all my mucking about at the beginning. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.